What's up, YouTube? Yet another review today. We got the awesome GW-B5600, part of the Gorillaz series collaboration. Now this is the second watch. I did the review on the GA2000 some time ago, but just finally decided to do the review on the 5600. So here it is. This one is going to a new home, and I thought I'd do a review before I send it off. Here's the module number 3461 with the model number GW-B5600 GZ-1 Gorillaz. Now this is part of the series that they released back in 2019 in September. And they did this to bring awareness and promote their new album Now. So N-O-W, Now. All right, so enough about the box. Let's check out the actual watch and see what they're working with. Gorillaz there. Here's the tin can. Very vibrant colorway here. Now, now, and now. Gorillaz on the top there, X G-Shock. This is actually a nice colorway. It's very colorful. Oh, look at the reflection. Here's the watch. Very cool looking watch. It is solar powered. See there? And it's got the Now on the band there, Gorillaz. Like I said, very nice colorway. Open it up. It's got the pink under on the band there, and then you also have the logo on the back of the back plate. It's upside down. Module 3461 GW-B5600, Bluetooth technology, multi-band 6, and solar power with 20 bar 200 meter water resistance. Right? This watch does come with the standard home time, world time, alarm, stopwatch, timer, and back to your home time. Okay. Now let's check out the watch, the backlight. There it is. On there you can see it says Now. There we go. Now. Okay. It's very nice. It's got the pink and teal colorway there. I think it looks great. I think they did a good job. What do you guys think? Nice watch. You guys have it? I think there's another series too. They like I said, there's two colors available for this series, for the Now edition, which is this 5600 GA2000. But there's also 4 other collaborations that Gorillaz has released, and I'll show you a picture of those 4. This one retailed for $170 back in September of 2019. So it's been some time. It's been almost a year since they released it. It's becoming harder to find, and the price has gone up recently on this watch. So if you get a chance to get it, I recommend you do. All right, guys. So next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.